Rain. Let me see. It pooped on your face.
Where?
It did.
Where?
Sit down. Let me see.
Where?
Let me see. Where's it at? It was on your face. No, I'm serious. It pooped on your face.
It's
Yo.
okay. It's okay.
My daughter is going to have good luck forever.
Oh.
That nest.
Oh.
Calm down.
Ray, it's okay.
Get a napkin for her. A wipe. Get a wipe. Or go to the bathroom and wash your hands. A baby pooped on my baby. A bird pooped on my baby, y'all. Right on her face. Oh. I seen 3 dots on your face, like.
Ew.
Oh, poor thing. Get it off.
No, don't record me. No.
Let me see. You know it's funny now.
No.
Ray,
It's nasty.
you gonna have good luck for the rest of your life.
Ew.
That's what they say. If a bird poop on you, you gonna have good luck for the rest of your life.
No, don't record me.
Just tell the people what happened, please, and then I'll leave you alone. Turn around and tell the people what happened.
What happened?
Tell them what happened. Tell the people what happened. It's not funny. Don't laugh at my daughter, cause she's gonna have good luck for.
You was laughing too.
I know it's over though. Stop. I'm serious. Tell them what happened, Rain. They got on your jeans, your good jeans.
Why are you recording?
Cause I want her to I want her to share her experience with the people. Other little girls is probably going through the same thing. Shut up. Other little girls is going through the same thing. So I want her to share her experience. Rain, what happened?
You went outside and I thought you left me because you were going to the gas station. And there was a bird and he was trying to get, and I heard tapping noise. And I thought it was like something falling on the
You think he was knocking on the window?
No, I
It's
thought
not
something
funny.
fell on the
It's
porch.
not funny because I'm like I'm laughing because he might have been knocking on the window.
Mom, that's still not funny.
No, I heard something falling on the porch, and the bird was standing there like just hitting himself. And he pooped on me.
It's not funny.
No, he was hitting himself.
No, he was like this, trying to get out.
What?
Like this is the shed. And he was like,
It's not funny.
It's not funny, but Todd, why was you running?
I was ready.
I'm gonna show y'all the nest outside of my house.
I was ready.
Okay, let's turn the light on out here. And I'm scared
Coming inside.
to go
That's
out
our
there.
man. He probably
Stop, y'all, because now I'm scared to go out here.
will go out the
Poop
front.
on my daggone baby. I will kill you. Y'all see? Ow!
Oh, what the? Give it extra now.
See, there's a nest above my light. Bird, go away if you out here. I ain't got time for this.
it was
I'm
right here.
scared.
It was trying to get out. So it was like hitting himself.
Oh, my fault. Sorry.
Mom, you let the.
On the top of that light is a nest, so the birds always be up there. Try to get my
You
baby.
probably got some eggs in there. You want to cook them?
Last time it was eggs in there. Give me a stool so I can stand up there and look.
Oh, yes. We're going to come flying at your head.
Okay, you guys. I'm climbing up here when I got a bad knee.
We're going to come flying at your head.
Be quiet, child. Oh, look at. Oh my gosh! What the? Oh my God, I'm scared to even wonder.
What is it?
What is in there? It's scary.